Welcome to Motorcyclepedia Museum, the most extensive museum of its kind in America today. With more than 500 vintage motorcycles on display, Motorcyclepedia is one of the treasures of the Hudson Valley and a must-see exhibit. In our Indian exhibit, you'll find the most comprehensive collection of vintage Indian motorcycles on the planet today, including the Indian timeline, beginning in 1901 through 1953. On the other side of our main level is our American Racer, Chopper City, and Winner's Circle exhibits. It is one of the highlights of the main level of the museum's 87,000 square foot facility. On the lower level of the museum, you can walk through time from presidential motorcade motorcycles, military bikes. We have one of Charles Lindbergh's many motorcycles on display. We also have the oldest running motorcycle in America today. Motorcyclepedia is a huge supporter of public awareness and education of the history of American ingenuity and progress. Also, on our lower level, you can marvel at not one, but two motordromes, commonly referred to as the Wall of Death. These exhibits were imported here to the United States from Germany, where they will remain forever. Also on display on the lower level is a collection of some of the smallest motorcycles in the world. Take a step back in time by visiting our turn-of-the-century train station and boxcar. Come browse our gift shop and bring home a piece of history. Here at Motorcyclepedia Museum, there's something for every member of the family, and we can assure you a visit to Motorcyclepedia Museum will be an experience you'll not soon forget. Thanks for watching.